So today we're going to learn how to make monoprints from magazine pages. And we'll do it using a gel plate. And now let's see quickly what we need today. Obviously a gel plate and a brayer. You can use almost any type of paint for this process, but I like the heavy body paints that come in tubes. Most magazines with glossy or semi-glossy pages work fine. And I'm going to use pages from these three magazines, including this one from 1992. And finally the paper. So you can use so many different kind of papers. And I'm going to use printmaking paper and this sketch paper. Okay, so let's begin now by transferring this image from the 1992 Vogue magazine. Make sure to spread the paint evenly. Now press the image down onto the plate and apply some pressure with your hands. So before the paint dries, place your paper over the image and press it down with a clean brayer. Now let's do the same thing, but use 3 different colors. Okay, so now we're going to print this page with one color. I'm using Amsterdam Carmine, which is like crimson color. Okay, now I'm gonna wait for it to dry. And when it's dry, I'm going to use turquoise green to lift the image off the plate. In order to lift the image off the plate, you don't need a lot of paint. In fact, make sure you can almost see the image through the paint. Again, we're gonna do the same thing, but this time we're gonna lift the image off the plate using 2 different colors. And finally, to make things more interesting, we are going to print an image from a magazine into one of these backgrounds. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in my books and online classes, check out the links below. And don't forget to subscribe.